What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. Now this video is all about versus, baby. We got the Alpine loop right here in the left corner. We got the trail loops right here in the right corner. Okay, this is the Apple Watch Ultra in all its 49mm glory. We got Spidey in the building, keeping track of everything, making sure we on point. Now, this is a review slash versus of these two, and basically to answer that simple question, which one should you guys get if you're not getting both and you're trying to figure out which one? If you're going to buy these bands from the Apple website, then obviously, you know, these things cost like 50 bucks on their website. So you can't just be, unless you got it like that, you can't buy every band you see. If you're buying this for the first time, you want to know which band you should get, this video is going to answer that question for you. If you're buying those bands from the Apple website. Now, if you're getting these bands on Amazon.com, go crazy. You can get multiple of these for a very cheap price, and that's what I would recommend you guys get these bands from Amazon and not Apple, because I got these three, $25.99 on Amazon, and it came with all three. This is from Apple when I ordered the band, and these two are from Amazon. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's definitely appreciated. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated as well. So without any further ado, let's get into it. And I'm gonna make this video short and sweet because I'm not trying to drag this out 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's just bands at the end of the day. And I know that. Number one, the build. The build of both of these are pretty good. I like the dynamic, I guess, build of this with this little ring on it. You can kind of loop it in any hole, so you should be able to find your fit regardless of your wrist size. And just having this piece right here is just something else to look at aesthetically. And this material also seems a little bit rugged, like it's gonna last. The build on these is a little bit simpler but effective. You have these 4 strips of Velcro inside, and you have this orange pull tab so you know exactly where to pull, because it kind of blends in. It's like seamless, and I like it. But it feels a little bit lighter, which in some cases for some people that might be really good. But it doesn't feel as like sturdy as this one, but it feels lighter and it feels softer. Now, as far as the fit, I will say putting this on right here, it is not uncomfortable. I will not say that it's uncomfortable, but there's a big difference between the fit of the Alpine loop as opposed to the trail loop. So I'm going to throw this on really quick right here. So you got to pull this all the way down and then slide your hand in and then pull this and then slide it in one of these loops right here. Is this comfortable? Yeah, can't complain. It's not cutting my wrist or anything. Doesn't feel like it's scratching me or it's uncomfortable, it's itchy, anything like that. When you move your wrist around, depending on how tight you have it, it can feel a little restrictive, but that's just depending on what loop you put it on. So I'm not even gonna go over the oceanic loops because I don't really care for those too much. So that's why they're not in this video, in case you were wondering. Slide this bad boy on right there. Slide this on right here. So the fit of this one, slide this on, get my Velcro right. Ooh, I will say this one is way more comfortable, and you think you wouldn't notice it because it's essentially the same like upgraded bands for the Ultra. I don't know, it's just a softer material and it feels a lot better on my wrist. So that might be something you want to take into account. I don't know if you got sensitive skin. This just seemed like it was made from, you know, less harsh materials. So I like it. The design of it, it's pretty much the same as the build, so I'm not going to go too deep into that. But to make it short and sweet, the design of this, simple and sweet. The design of this, also simple and effective, but it's also a little bit more dynamic than this one. So as far as the durability, these bands all together, they get dirty easy. As far as being able to, because obviously with like the older bands, you have the sports bands, you can wash those off, or the oceanic band, you can wash it off. It's easy. It's not really going to get dirt on it at all, and if it does, you can wash it off. These are a cloth material, so you're going to have to find some way to wash these things. You can't put them in a washer like an actual washing machine. That's crazy. But you're gonna have to hand wash these with, like, you know, some hand soap in your sink, because these things will get dirty as far as cleanliness of it. Now, as far as durability itself, these aren't gonna like pop on you or rip. Definitely, at least the one made by Apple. I've noticed that this one here that I got off Amazon, it's not ripped or broken, but this little strap right here was longer. It was like way down here, but the adhesive they put under it just starts peeling off until it's all the way right here. And I eventually think this thing is gonna just, you know, unloosen itself. But that's what happens when you buy third-party materials. So, but the Apple one itself, it doesn't have that little, you know, flap or strap on it. It's pretty much stitched in there very well. So I don't foresee that happening with the Apple one, but time will tell. There's nothing to really like peel off. I guess this could peel off, but it's stitched on pretty well, and it's really nice. I really like this, and I like the 3-color scheme they have going on right here. It really stands out, and that's why I got my my Apple Watch face the way it is, because this is my favorite band by far. This blue one in particular. The trail loop, yes, but the blue one in particular, it goes very well with that. As I said, this one seems way more comfortable because it seems like they made it with softer materials. Which one do I recommend? I would say, hands down, I recommend, if you're getting this watch for the first time and you're on the Apple website and you're trying to figure out which band should I get, I would say all day get the trail loop, just for comfortability alone and simplicity, because this is nice. I like the mechanism to lock it in any loop right here, but it's not as simple and easy as just using this right here. You slap it on your wrist, all you're doing is laying the Velcro down. That's it. You don't have to deal with kind of digging and putting this thing in. It's not like it's super hard or difficult to do, but it's one less step. You just put on your wrist, strap it down, you're gone. This one, it takes a little bit more time to find the right loop according to how you fit it on your wrist to put it in. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll keep this video short and sweet. Spidey, I know you got me right on the time, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.